Hey fans, welcome back. In this video, we explore the latest and greatest camping inventions that are guaranteed to take your outdoor adventures to the next level. From high-tech gadgets to innovative gear, we've got you covered with everything you need to elevate your camping experience. Discover cutting-edge tents, portable cooking solutions, advanced lighting systems, and much more. Whether you're a seasoned camper or just getting started, these next-level inventions will make your trips more comfortable, enjoyable, and memorable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome camping content and gear reviews. The creators of the KAARI LOIMU XPOWER truly understand fire. They've designed an extraordinary lighter, the world's first plasma model, and packed it with impressive features. Forget disposable lighters. This one recharges via USB Type-C, making it incredibly convenient. But that's not all. It also doubles as a flashlight and a power bank. Whether you're battling strong winds, heavy rain, or just need a reliable flame, the KAARI LOIMU XPOWER delivers a blazing 1,100 degrees Celsius arc in any condition. With a 2,900 mAh battery and a handy charge level indicator, you'll always be ready. Its tough polycarbonate case handles dust, dirt, and shocks with ease. All this power and versatility is yours for just $53. While we were chatting about the future, Quokka quietly rolled out a game-changer, a quantum computer emulator. Unlike traditional computers that use binary code, bits, representing either 0 or 1, this device mimics the unique capabilities of quantum computing. Quantum computers use qubits, which can hold multiple values simultaneously, allowing for incredibly fast processing. Tasks that would take a traditional computer a week can be done in seconds with qubits. Quokka's emulator features 30 qubits, a remarkable achievement. For context, Google estimated that a 503-qubit system could solve a problem in 200 seconds that would take the best supercomputer 10,000 years. While the Quokka emulator isn't perfect, it offers an affordable glimpse into the future of computing for just $390. Check out the latest game changer, the Everday Steam Closet. This isn't just a suitcase. It transforms into a steamer in just 30 minutes. Say goodbye to wrinkles in your favorite t-shirts and sweaters in no time. Plus, it's a hygiene powerhouse, killing 99% of viruses and bacteria. But wait, there's more. It also dries and scents your clothes, all in one handy device. The best part? It's ready to go in just 3 minutes. At $250, isn't it a smart investment? Introducing the Ryobi 36 VHP Crushing Shredder, your go-to for hassle-free garden waste management. This shredder's powerful 7-tooth blade easily tackles branches, leaves, and debris up to 1.5 inches thick. Need to adjust performance? The calibration mode makes it simple. Put a jam? Just hit the reverse button to clear it. Plus, the semi-transparent container lets you monitor material buildup for easy cleaning. After use, fold the legs for compact storage. No more tangled cords or gasoline messes. Its robust brushless battery provides 40 minutes of continuous runtime, and with Whisper Quiet technology, you can work peacefully without disturbing your neighbors. Imagine a yacht with helicopters. Cool, but not groundbreaking. Now, picture a yacht with an airship. That's taking excitement to a whole new level. Currently just a concept, it's so impressive that a wealthy individual might decide to make it a reality. Instead of buying soccer clubs, why not invest in this? Estimated to cost about $1 billion, the yacht, named Colossia, lives up to its name with a massive 213-meter length. It can accommodate up to 44 guests and 22 crew members. The airship, called Norge, pays homage to the famous Norge airship that crossed the Arctic in 1926 with Captain Roald Amundsen. This modern Norge, made with carbon fiber and powered by electric motors, can potentially reach speeds of up to 165 km/h. It comfortably carries up to 24 passengers and 10 crew members. Now, that's true luxury. TRANENDREEF is a nature lover's dream, perfect for enjoying the outdoors without roughing it on the ground. Originally crafted in Holland as an art project, it offers a stunning way to immerse yourself in beautiful landscapes. Created by an artist, not an engineer, TRANENDREEF embraces its quirks. While it's not cheap to mass produce, its unique teardrop shape and minimalist design make it truly special. Inside, you won't find screens, computers, or smart gadgets, just a comfy mattress, a stargazing window, and a bench that doubles as a shelf. Accommodating 2 adults and 2 kids, TRANENDREEF is a serene escape from daily life. Though it lacks bathrooms or toilets, these amenities are usually available at nearby campgrounds. At just $75 per night, it's an affordable way to find peace in nature. Meet the Migo Ascender, a groundbreaking addition to the world of robot vacuums. What sets it apart? It's the first robot vacuum that can navigate stairs, making it a true leap forward in home automation. While its $849 price tag might seem steep, the Migo Ascender offers incredible value. This versatile cleaner can cover up to 500 square meters, handling both dry and wet cleaning with ease. With powerful hardware delivering 5 teraflops of performance, a fleet of Migo Ascenders could potentially rival the computing power of something like Skynet. Introducing the Water Wheel XL by Fiskars, the ultimate solution for all your gardening needs. This versatile cart lets you customize it with your favorite hose and accessories, making your watering routine a breeze. With its unique horizontal design and 360-degree rotation, you can place the Water Wheel XL anywhere in your garden for optimal coverage. Say goodbye to manual rolling. This cart saves you time and effort. Its soft leg pads ensure stability on any surface, while the built-in oscillator quickly and evenly winds the hose onto the reel. Plus, the large ergonomic folding handle adds extra convenience. The Water Wheel XL fits various hose types, from 100 feet with a 0.7-inch diameter to 165 feet with a 0.5-inch diameter. With padded wheels for smooth movement, this cart effortlessly glides across different surfaces, making watering your garden a joy.